Hello and welcome to DoubleTick. In this video, we'll show you how to create and send a carousel RCS message in DoubleTick. In RCS, there are two types of messages you can send, a rich card and a carousel. In this video, we'll focus on the carousel. We cover the rich card in a separate video. A carousel is a set of cards your customer can swipe through, making it perfect for showcasing several products, offers, or options in a single message. Let's get started. From the navigation panel on the left, click on Chats. Inside Chats, click on New Chat to open a new customer conversation. Now enter your customer's phone number, along with the country code. Just below you'll see the Send Message Via option. This shows the channel your message will go out from. By default, this may be your WhatsApp channel, so you'll need to switch it to your RCS channel. If the RCS channel isn't already selected, click on Change, choose your RCS channel, and click Continue. Once your RCS channel is selected, click Start Chat. Your conversation now opens, just like a regular chat. To create your message, click the attachment icon and select Rich Card. At the top under Message Type you'll see two options, Rich Card and Carousel. Select Carousel. Now let's build your carousel. First, choose your card width, small or medium, depending on how you'd like your cards to appear. Next, add your cards. Under Cards you'll see card 1 already started for you. To add more, simply click the plus icon. A carousel can hold anywhere from 2 to 10 cards. Let's set up a card. For each card, start with the media section, click Upload from computer or drag and drop your file. You can add an image, a video, or a PDF. In the title field, add a short heading for your card. You can use up to 200 characters. In the description field, enter your main message, up to 2,000 characters. Keep it concise and engaging to capture attention. Now let's add a button. Click Add Button and you'll see 6 button types to choose from: a quick reply, open URL, dial number, view location, request location, and calendar event. Pick the one you'd like, enter your button label up to 25 characters and click Done. You can add up to 4 buttons on a single card. Simply repeat these steps for each card until your carousel is complete. As you build your message, you'll see a live preview on the right-hand side, so you can see exactly how your carousel will look to your customer as you create it. Once your carousel is ready, click Send. And that's it, you've sent your first carousel over RCS. Just a quick note, RCS works only on Android devices that have RCS enabled. If your customer is on an iPhone or has RCS turned off, the message won't be delivered and you'll see a small error letting you know. Thanks for watching and happy messaging with DoubleTick.